Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm with my brother John Boy, my dad Frank, my mum Kim, and Zion the dog. Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean, hoa ke tātou. And today, I'm building the slipperiest slippy slide to practice my cool moves. John Boy and I are on an epic mission to catch a thief.
Go, Buzz, reel it in!
And do I have what it takes to become an amazing kaitiaki firefighter?
Come on, my cousins!
Oh, kia ora, cousins. I didn't see you there. Hey, titiro, he rangi a tāhua. It's a beautiful day. Mauri ora. Kei a hau he whakaaro, I have an idea. Why don't I make a slippery slide? I could make the slipperiest slide of all slipperiest slides that slide slipperiest slide. That's a great idea. Hey, Dad, do you want to make the slipperiest slide?
Bit busy at the moment, son, but there's some stuff in the shed you can use.
Miharo, amazing. Hoa ke tātou. Ah, all right. Now, I need to find something slippery to slide on. Hey, maybe these mats will do good. I could join them together, but... Ooh, they don't look slippery enough. Hey, what's that? Ooh, maybe not. That's a little bit dirty. What's that? Ooh, I can see why Dad said kia tūpato. There's lots of things on the ground. Okay, what about this? Maybe if I laid it down a little... Oh, no, that's not gonna work either. I see the perfect thing! Come on, cousins! Oh! This is gonna work perfectly. It's nice and long, and it's gonna be really, really slippy. Now all I need is some hoopy, some soap. Let's do it! Here it is. This is the perfect slippy slide slope. Slippy slide soap, because it doesn't hurt your eyes. Come on! Ka pai. Ka rawe. I have all the parts I need to make the slipperiest slide. Now to set it up. Ko te mahi tuatahi, firstly, I'm going to roll out these big rolls of plastic. Let's do it. There, beautiful. Just like that. Yeah, next one. Ka rawe! This is the biggest, slipperiest slide I've ever made. Titiro, my cousins! Check it out! Tuarua, I need to add the slippery slide soap to the slippery slide. Let's do it. Okay. And bit over there, bit over there. Keep going. Oh, it's like a snake. Almost done and perfect. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Now, to add the last ingredient, the OG, the original, te wai. That's enough. Ko e momo te wai, Buzz. Oh, perfect. Check it out. The most slipperiest slide ever. Now all I need to do is tini kākahu. Buzz the Cuz steps up to the plate, ready to slide. This could be a new world record. We might just be witnessing greatness.
What? That wasn't very good at all. I'm gonna try again. Maybe I need to do a bigger run-up. Come on, cuzzies. Ha, ha. Oh, that was amazing. Let's do that again.
I call this one the slippery snake. The seagull. The honu turtle. The mana wave. The binoculars.
The zombie.
The invisible man.
Last but not least, the dad.
I'll show you the dad.
I knew he wasn't too busy to do a slippery slide. Move out of the way, Dad. This next one's the pterodactyl.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz. I te tau nei. I've just been thinking about how to become a better kaitiaki. Kaitiaki are guardians who look after places, people, and things. Oh, I want to be the best. Whoa. A waka patuahi. Tauke! A fire truck! Firefighters are kaitiakis. I could become a firefighting kaitiaki who fights fires. Let's do it! Hoake tātou! Wee-oo, wee-oo!
Are you ready? Let's go.
Oh, Tito, it's stopping! Tito, he whare nei ahi, a fire station! Yeah. Holy. Oh, I just got out of the rain in time. Hey, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Hey, cool fire truck.
Pretty cool, eh? I'm Corey Paki.
Kia ora, Corey Paki. I'm Buzz the Cuz.
So, what are you up to, Buzz the Cuz?
Oh, well, i te whakaroa, I was out there thinking about kaitiaki, and then I saw your fire truck, and I thought, firefighters are kaitiaki, and now I want to be a firefighting kaitiaki just like you. Do you think I have what it takes?
Have you ever put out a fire before?
Oh, yeah, I blew out a candle on a birthday cake once.
And did you make a wish?
Oh, no, well, it wasn't my birthday cake, but I saw the fire and I thought, hazard.
Oh, well, you might have what it takes. Let's have a look around the truck.
Me, Haroa, let's do it.
You want to hold this?
Yeah. Whoa, cool equipment. Hey, what are those?
Those are hoses, Buzz. We use those to fill the truck and to put out fires.
Whoa, those hoses are massive. Hey, I know what that is. That's a stretcher. I've been on one of those before. I hurt myself in a rugby game. I should have been wearing your hat. Hey, what's in that?
That's a fuel container. That's to fill up our chainsaw.
Whoa, what do you use the chainsaw for?
Sometimes trees fall down across the road, so we have to cut them up and get them off the road for the cars.
Racos have fallen. Hey, what's in that door?
Let's have a look.
Whoa, more hoses. What's this hose used for?
This hose is used for smaller fires, Buzz.
Like blowing out the candles on a birthday cake.
Not quite.
Oh, what's this thing do?
This is called a branch. This is how you operate the water.
Oh my goodness, can I have a turn?
Sure.
Okay, I'll swap you. There's no water coming out. What do you reckon, Corey? Am I ready to be a firefighter yet?
We'll see.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Hey, there's so many cool parts to a fire truck. I wish I was a fire truck. Oh, can I look inside now?
Of course you can. Jump in.
Come on. Whoa, it's so cool in here. There's so many buttons, it's like a spaceship.
Yeah, there's heaps of controls in here, Buzz.
Whoa, mote aha tēnei. What does this thing do?
Oh, don't touch that one.
Oh no. Aroha mai. Sorry, Corey.
That's okay, Buzz. It's important not to touch anything you don't know. Okay, Tamarama?
I understand.
All right, you ready for a challenge?
Oh, I love a good whittle. Bring it on.
Ka pai, follow me.
Okay. Whoa.
All right, so to be a firefighter, you need to be able to get into your gear real quick. Do you think you can do it?
I think I can do it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, timata.
Okay, take my gumboots off. Get off. All right. Oh, there we go. 3, 2, here we go. Up, round. Come on. Take that off. Yep, that goes off. Almost there. Almost there. Done!
Awesome.
No, wait. Done!
Awesome. That was 60 seconds exactly.
Whoa! Hoonah! One more step to becoming a firefighter in Kaitiaki. One day I'm gonna transform into a phoenix and then that's me. Off to meet Tamanui Te Rā!
Ka pai, you ready for challenge number 2?
I'm always ready for another whittle. Let's do it! Okay, what do I have to do for this whittle?
So challenge number 2, we're going to unhook the hose reel,
Yep.
lift this up,
Ooh.
and you're going to try and hit that target down there.
That sounds easy enough.
Follow me. Now you're here, you're going to drop to your knee,
Okay.
hold the branch like this,
Yep.
and shoot. All right, your turn.
Go. All right, like this. Neil, hold it. Kaitiaki firefighters at your service. Yeah! Oh, whoa, there's a lot of pressure in that.
There was.
Let me go again. Kaitiaki firefighters, back at it again.
Pretty flash, all right, Buzz. You're amazing.
Thank you. Hey, does that mean that I'm a Kaitiaki firefighter now?
Not yet, Buzz. That's just some of the training we do. But if you keep that up, you'll be a firefighter in no time.
Yes! Hey, what's that?
That's a siren. Someone must have called 111.
She's incredible. Come on, my cousins.
Buzz, are you coming?
Oh, what's the problem, Corey?
A smoke alarm's gone off at a house nearby. We need to go investigate. Fingers crossed there's no fire.
Got it. Oh, seatbelt. Come on, seatbelt. Ready to go, Kaitiaki firefighters, move. Whoa, yous are really fast. Hey, Corey, so what do we do now?
We're going to go do a 360 buzz, which means we're going to walk around the house and check for any hazards or risks.
Ka pai. Shall I shut this down?
Yep.
I'm ready.
All right, Buzz, here's the house down the back here.
Okay, so what am I looking for?
So can you see any smoke?
Coal.
Can you see any flames?
Coal.
Can you see any hazards?
Coal.
Okay, so we'll go for a walk around the house and check everything.
Okay, cool.
All right, so look out for any flames or smoke, Buzz. Make sure you look high and low.
High, low, high, low, high. No flames or smoke, Corey.
All right, let's double check everything's okay.
Roger. Oh, tēnā koe mai cuz. Kaitiaki firefighters at your service. Hey, we just had a call down at the fire station and we thought we'd come up and check everything is okay. Is everything all right?
Yes, no, I'm okay, Aroha. My jeepers, my smoke alarm, you know, the AAA batteries run out.
Hey, te pai, as long as you're okay.
I've got one of these new ones for you. It's got a 10-year battery life.
Boys, for free.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll install it for you. Okay, yep, we're going in there. Sweet. All done.
Awesome.
Well, have a good day.
Ka kite hoa. Oh, hey, Corey, that's awesome that he doesn't have to change his smoke alarm for the next 10 years.
That's right, Buzz. But he still has to check his smoke alarm once a month to make sure it's going. So if he's asleep, the smoke alarm will wake him up.
Oh, I see. So what happens if there's a real fire? What do I do then?
First you yell fire, then you want to get down, get low, and get out.
So if I see a fire, then I yell fire, and then I get down, I get low, and then I get out. Ooh. Do I get out to like a safe meeting place?
Yeah, have you got a safe meeting place at home?
Oh, I do. Yeah, I have the front lawn. But hey, should I just pretend it's here for now?
Yeah, that'll do.
What's that? It's a fire. Get down, get low, get out. Get down, get low, get out. Get down, get low, get out.
Hey, you right?
Yep. I'm just practicing my firefighting skills, cuz. Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good. Have fun.
Pretty flash, all right? Come on, Kaitiaki firefighter Buzz. We've got more lives to save.
Yes! I'm a Kaitiaki firefighter! Now, Buzz, let's have a good look. Waves aren't too big. It's an incoming low tide. Perfect! Tēnā koe Tangaroa. What is that? Oh, it's my phone. Kia ora, Auntie. Hey, you want some fish for dinner? You're just in luck. Me and John Boy are down at Tokero. We're gonna go surf casting. All right, love you. Okay. Yeah, tell him I say hi. Okay, ka kite. Hey, John Boy. Me and John are off on a surf casting mission. We're gonna catch some ika for Auntie's dinner. Hoake tātou. Wait for me, John boy. Hey, John boy. No. Wait for me.
Hurry up, Buzz. Oh, kia ora, cuzzies. You coming on a surf casting mission as well?
Let's go.
Hit it.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Check it out now.
All right, I'm going to show you all of the gear we're going to use for surf casting. Check it out! Look at all of our stuff. We have rod holders, we've got rods, we've got a tepu, we've got tutu, we've got chili bins, and we also got our mana. Mana! Hey, John boy, how have you set up your rod today?
This is my setup. I have a special sand sinker here with these spikes. They grip the sand. We've got a hook here for the snapper to bite onto, and a swivel here to keep all our lines straight and not tangle up.
So is that us? Are you ready to go surf casting?
What else are we missing?
A karakia.
No, we'll get to that. What else?
Chocolates.
No. What else do we need to catch some fish?
I don't know. I thought we had everything.
Some bait, Buzz?
Oh, that's right, some bait. Where is it?
I thought you got it.
I thought you got it.
Don't tell me you didn't get the bait.
Nah, I'm just joking. I definitely got the bait. You should have seen your face. Here is our maunu. Ka pai. Now, when you're baiting your hook, it's really good to get an adult to do it for you. Lucky I'm an adult. How are you getting on, John boy?
And I'm ready. Karakia.
Miti runga, miti raro, miti ha. Tōhia te wai. Ko te wai nā wai, eke panuku, eke tangaro.
Now, for my favourite part of surf casting, casting our rods. Hey, John boy, do you want to have a competition who can cast their bait the furthest?
Do you think you can compete with these guns?
You obviously haven't seen these guns.
Come on then, I'll go first.
Okay. Well, someone's been practicing. But can it stand up to the mana of my rod?
Hurry up,
Don't rush me, I have a process. All right, cuzzies, here's what you do. Let the bail arm out, and then look for somewhere where you want your bait to land. Found it! And then you think about something cool you want to say when you cast. Got it! Tai, rua, toru, mana motu hake! No! I lost!
I told you can't compete with these guns.
All right, cuzzies, come on, let's put our rods into the rod holder.
Oh, good day for a fish.
Say no more, John boy. Now we just wait. This is taking ages. I can't wait any longer. I've got to move my body. I'm on a giraffe. I'm on a giraffe. Surfing a giraffe. That's how I catch a giraffe. Want to see a backflip?
Go on then.
Okay, watch me do my thing. Are you ready, John boy? Okay, here I go. In. 3, 2, 1. I did it!
Whee, pretty flash.
Now you do one.
Well, not with these biceps.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough. Hey, John boy, your rod's going off. Go, John boy, reel it in. Reel it in. Go, John boy. Use those big arms that I'm talking about. Haas, haas, haas. Get there. Use those biceps. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. John boy, I can see it. I can see it. I'll get it. Come on, cuzzies. Oh. Whoa. 10 on my cuzzies. Our first fish. Oh, tēnā koe te ika. We better put this one back, though, as a kohata tangaroa. All right, te ika.
Hey, Buzz, your rod.
I've got one. I've got one. Reel it in, Buzz. Reel it in, Buzz. Oh, it's a big one. Hey, I caught some rubbish, said the tangaro. All right, I'm going to take that rubbish home with me. Go, John. Go, John.
Go get my fish, Buzz.
There it is. The Tino. Whee, John boy. You got another one. I've got one. Go, Buzz. Go, Buzz. Reel it in. Oh, big fish.
Great work.
It's big. I can see it, John boy.
Oh, don't lose it.
Go get it. Get it.
I've got it.
Whoa, that's awesome, John boy.
Look at your fish.
Hey, cuzzies. So, when you catch snapper, it has to be over 30 centimetres long. How long do you reckon that is, John boy?
That is definitely 35 centimetres.
Perfect. And also, cuzzies, when you're catching snapper, you're only allowed 7 snapper each. Ka pai? Ka pai. That's a beautiful snapper. We've got enough ika for Auntie's dinner. I'll just call her. Kia ora, Auntie, it's Buzz. We did very well. We have some beautiful ika for your dinner. Do you want some chips? John boy, what kind of bait do we use to catch chips? Leave it with me, Auntie. Fish and chips are on the way. Yeah, love you too. Bye. All right, John boy, let's go and catch some chips.